Thakhi Kuntareta Yangang Popi Litan Rota Kuki Singh na Postal Consignment kaya may thaduna manghan ki haina Ukrulgi Postmaster Wungraypam Rimay na Fungdurakli social media da thagalakpa video amada wafam masi fungdukleduna mahak na hai Thaudok aduna maram oiraga postal parcel ATM card passport amadi atay mail article kaya amang ata thokan ki Kuki Singh na chatharakiba thawung aduna postal service ta yet apan pibadanatana miyam da khudong chadaba kaya mayuk na hale Masigamari Lainana Civil Authority Amade Law Enforcement Agency Singda Matik Chaba Action Lokat Pinaba Report Tau Krihainasu Mahakna Makatana Fundurakli Preliminary Assessment Gi Matung Inna Taudok Aduda Ukrulgi Postal Bag Kuntra Somdalgi Mari Amade Kamjungi Ama Amang Ata Togan Ki Haidi Nakalamaromda Press na Fangba Pau Magi Matung Inna Postal Consignment Sing Mai Thaduna Amang Ata Togan Kibagi Taudok Aduga Mari Lainana Nazir Hussein Apokba Nur Rahman Miyakauba Mioy Amana Litan Police Station da wakat ama thangalakpadagi FIR ama lodge tawki FIR adu Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita BNS 221 obstructing public servant in discharging duties BNS 189 to unlawful assembly BNS 326 mischief BNS 324 for mischief causing moderate financial damage, BNS 351-3 criminal intimidation, BNS common intention arms act amadi 25(1)(c) unauthorized possession of prohibited arms ki makada file tawkibani. Wakacherul aduna hai tha sigi kuntareta squad team amaga loinana yangang pokpidagi postal items sing adu puduna Ukrul Post Office tamna chetki team aduda sangkai khul yawrapada Kuki volunteer sing na khamanki ayuki pung tara rom tabada gari sing adu detain tawduna thamlaga khutlai paiba Kuki mari mangana changlaklaga postal items sing puriba gari aduda Kakhalaki, Nongmay Chingdol da Namdanagari Adu Tawinki, Talakadu security personnel sing na phone tawrakpada Kuki Kulai Paiba Singh Aduna Nazir Hussain ki Paiganda Nongmay na namlaga Tumina Layna Bakangan ki phone adu Kuki Singh Aduna Pairaga career item Khakta Mag Loktabani Haina Kumki Post Office ki Gari Adu Makwina Sangkai Village Ground Tamna Tawinki Aduga Courier item sing yauba bag contrataruk loktaraga mai thadoki post office ki gari adusu Kuki Singh aduna mai thanna bathaurang tawringai cherakta amuba machugi alto car amaga Mahindra Thar gari amaga da lakpa ahal kharana khambadagi mai thakidabani haidi
I would like to inform the public about a serious incident involving postal mail on the way between Yampopi and Litan on the date 27/7/2026. During the incident, several postal parcel, ATM card, passports, and other mail articles being transported by the department and destroyed. The incident has been reported to the concerned civil and law enforcement authorities for investigation and necessary action. The department opposes assessing the extent of the damage and taking steps to restore services and assist the affected customers. Details list of damaged articles and bags destroyed. For Ukrul, 30 bags were destroyed. For Somdal, 4 bags were destroyed. And for Kamjong, 1 bag is destroyed.